Welcome to day 8 of our 24-day Python coding challenge. Today, we will explore two essential data structures in Python, tuples and sets. These are both collections, but they serve different purposes. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand what tuples and sets are, how to create and use tuples and sets, the differences between them, when to use each one in real-world coding. Let's dive into the lesson. What is a tuple? A tuple is a collection that is ordered but immutable. This means that once a tuple is created, its elements cannot be changed, added, or removed. Let's take an example. Fruits equals apple, banana, cherry. When we print the tuple, print fruits, we will get an output of apple, banana, cherry. Key features of tuples. Ordered items have a defined sequence. Immutable, cannot be modified after creation. Faster than lists, uses less memory. Can store different data types. Accessing tuple elements. Since tuples are ordered, we can access elements using indexing just like lists. For example, numbers equals 10, 20, 30, 40. Print numbers 0, this output 10. Print numbers -1, this output 40. Remember, indexing starts at 0, meaning the first item is at position 0, the second at 1, and so on. Negative indexing allows you to access elements from the end of the tuple. What is a set? A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. Unlike lists and tuples, sets do not allow duplicates, and the order of elements is not guaranteed. Quick example. My underscore set equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Print my underscore set, it output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and remove the duplicates. Key features of sets. Unordered, no specific sequence of items. No duplicates, every element is unique. Supports set operations, union, intersection, difference. Modifying sets. Even though sets are unordered, we can add or remove elements. Examples are adding elements to a set. First, create a set. My underscore set equals 1, 2, 3. Then add a new element. My underscore set dot add 4. Then print it. Print my underscore set, the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Removing elements from a set. We remove an element by adding remove function. My underscore set dot remove 2. Print my underscore set, the output will be 1, 3, 4. When to use tuples versus sets. Use a tuple when you need a fixed, unchangeable collection. You want ordered data. You need faster access to elements. Use a set when you need a unique collection of items. You don't care about order. You want to perform set operations union, intersection, difference. Day 8 challenge. Task 1. Create a tuple with 4 of your favorite movies and try accessing them using indexing. Task 2. Create a set of 6 random numbers. Try adding a new number and removing one. Task 3. Create 2 sets and find their union, intersection, and difference. Post your solutions using hashtag 24DayPythonChallenge. Summary. Tuples are ordered and immutable. Sets are unordered and do not allow duplicates. Tuples preserve order, while sets are fast and support operations like union and intersection. Use tuples when you don't need modifications. Use sets when you need unique elements. That's a wrap for day 8. Today, we learned about tuples and sets, how they work, and when to use them. Keep practicing, and don't forget to share your progress in the comments. Tomorrow, we'll dive into dictionaries in Python. See you in day 9.